Hey everyone, today's journey takes us to Tirta Gangga, a royal water garden located in the eastern part of Bali. The drive towards this place feels slow and refreshing, with changing landscapes along the way. This approach already hints that the destination is more about balance and calm than movement and noise. This is the split gate at the entrance of Tirta Gangga. Crossing this gate feels like stepping into a carefully planned space where water and stone shape the experience. The layout inside follows a clear sense of order, guiding visitors naturally forward. Once inside, the water gardens come into view. Pools, fountains, and stepping stones are arranged in a structured pattern, yet everything feels open and breathable. Water flows gently through the space, giving the entire area a steady rhythm. Here is the Tirta Gangga Museum. This section adds historical context to the garden and explains its royal origins. It highlights how Tirta Gangga was designed not only for beauty but also as a symbol of harmony and heritage. Behind the main water garden, the scenery changes. This open area feels less formal, with farmland and greenery extending outward. It shows how Tirta Gangga blends into the surrounding landscape instead of standing apart from it. Inside the museum, you can see the statue of Anak Agung Anglurah Ketut Karangasem. He was the ruler of Karangasem and the visionary behind Tirta Gangga. This statue represents leadership, legacy, and the origin of this water palace. From the museum level, the garden looks completely different. The arrangement of pools, walkways, and fountains becomes clearly visible from above. This view shows how carefully each section was positioned within the space. This is the lotus pool. The still water and lotus plants bring a softer tone to the garden. It's a quiet corner that invites people to pause rather than move through quickly. As we leave Tirta Gangga, the path leads back to the open road. The experience here feels complete without needing anything extra. It's a gentle transition from the water garden back into the flow of the journey. This was our visit to Tirta Gangga Water Palace. If this video gave you a clear view of the place, support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.